So in this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts and impressions on the SOUNDPEATS S5 wireless earbuds. Baka magusto mo tong earbuds na to. Baka lang naman. Okay, so first things first, thank you so much SOUNDPEATS and Don Sanggalang for sending this product over. Before we proceed, let's check first what comes with the package. Okay, so you have the user manual, of course, and you have a USB-C charging cable, 2 extra earbuds, and the SOUNDPEATS S5 wireless earbuds. Now let's talk about the form factor of the SOUNDPEATS S5, starting with the charging case, which has a matte black finish, which I like. And it's also small enough to fit in your pocket or small bag kung gusto mong mag-workout, mag-exercise, or kung ano pa. And for the earbuds itself, it has a sleek black design, and since this is made for sporting scenarios, you have a very flexible ear hook, which makes it very comfortable to use when working out. Okay, so I have to admit it, hindi ako may earbuds na tao kasi I had a very bad experience using a fake Bluetooth wireless earbuds before na napakahirap gamitin. But this S5 totally changed that experience kasi out of the box, hindi siya mahirap i-pair. You just have to follow the instructions. You don't even have to do anything. You just have to open the case, remove the earbuds, put the earbuds back, open the case, and then you're good to go. All you have to do is to connect your phone or whatever to the device via Bluetooth, which is SOUNDPEATS S5, napakadaling mahanap, and you're good to go. And another feature that the SOUNDPEATS S5 has is its touch functions, which is very convenient nga if you're working out kasi you don't want to hold your phone if you want to answer some calls, change the song. All you gotta do is to tap the earbuds itself. It's all in the manual. I'm not gonna demo it right here because hahaba yung video, but it's all in the manual and I really like it kasi it's very functional, it's very responsive, wala siyang delay kung mag-adjust ka ng volume, and all that function controls are working just fine. Okay, so since this is a listening device, it would make sense for you to know kung ano nga bang sound quality ang maririnig mo kapag gamit mo tong earbuds na to. And from my experience in using this for I think 2 weeks now, hindi siya concentrated or centralized sa bass, meaning hindi siya bass boosted, which for me personally I like kasi sumasakit yung ulo ko kapag masyadong bassy yung earphones or earbuds na gamit ko. It's more on the higher frequency and the mid-tones, which makes it very clear if you want to listen to podcasts, songs, and anything that you want to listen to using these earbuds. And another thing that I like about the SOUNDPEATS S5 is wala siyang latency, or maybe meron but hindi siya ganun ka-latent or hindi ganun ka-delay yung synchronization ng visuals at ng audio. Halos sabay yung visuals at yung audio, which is very good. Okay, so for the sound quality for calls, Zoom meetings, and whatnot, I think it's very good, but I'll let you be the judge. I'll be playing a recording. Na-record ko yung audio test of the SOUNDPEATS S5. Here it is. So right now, you are hearing the audio that's coming out from the built-in microphone of the SOUNDPEATS S5 wireless earbuds. And this is how your calls are gonna sound, your meetings, anything when using the SOUNDPEATS S5 wireless earbuds. So na-mention ko nga kanina, the SOUNDPEATS S5 is made for sporting scenarios. So it would make a lot of sense for it to be water resistant kasi magpapawisan yung ulo mo tsaka yung tenga mo banda when you're working out or when you're exercising. And this SOUNDPEATS S5 is IPX7 rated, which means that it can be submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. But ba't mo naman gagawin yun? Anyway, yun nga, it's water resistant, and based on my experience when I used it during a workout session, nag-workout. Hindi, I just tested it and it's very comfortable kahit pinagpapawisan ka na because of the rubber material ng hook, ng ear hook. So, maganda siya sa tenga, hindi siya distracting, hindi siya uncomfortable gamitin. And I've tried using it for straight hours and it's very comfortable. So, I guess that's it for me on my thoughts and impressions of the SOUNDPEATS S5 wireless earbuds. And I'm sure di ko na-cover lahat kasi hindi naman ito full detail review kasi hindi naman ako techie, but it's more of the user experience when I was using the earbuds itself, which is very important kasi more than the specs, it's really the comfortability and the usability of this device. And if you have any questions about this product, you can reach out to SOUNDPEATS on their Facebook page. They're very responsive. Link will be down below. And if you want to purchase this earbuds, reach out to SOUNDPEATS as well. Link in the description box. So before I end this video, I just want to give a big shout out to Ron Rubea and Joseph Ryan Bati of Limang Siglo. Maraming salamat for signing up in the YouTube channel membership, although wala naman talagang perks yung channel membership na to, but who knows, maybe in the future, di ba? And sa inyo na nakasuporta lagi, nagko-comment sa mga videos ko, nagko-comment sa Facebook page ko, maraming salamat sa inyo. And speaking of Facebook page, follow me on my Facebook page at duekneel.official. If you like this video, please press the like button. Pwede mo din i-share kung gusto mo lang. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Hit the bell to be notified for new videos. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.